Hi everyone, I'm Richard from Simple IT. So today we will be going through how to use Carousell, and also at the end of the video, we will actually have a simple quiz for you guys to participate.
Okay, so to install the app, you have to go to your Play Store. So just search on the app Carousell. Okay, so on top you can actually see the pop-up. So just click on it. Just have to click on install. Okay, we will just wait for while it load. Okay, so it's complete. So click on the open button. So there will be an option prompting you to see whether you want to log in through your Google account, or whether you want to sign up, or you want to use your Facebook account. So for convenience, we will just log in through our Facebook account. Okay, so we have successfully logged in. So from the interface of the Carousell, as you can see, at the bottom of the tabs, we have the Explore tab, the Group, the Selling, and the Activity and My Own Profile. So on the Explore tab, right, on this page, you can actually see a lot of listing of clothes, even electronics or even mobile phones, and even properties. So from here you can actually click in to see what products you are actually interested. So for example, if you have a specific item that you are interested in, right, so you just click on the search button at the top. There is this search engine box, so you just press on the search. Okay, you just tap on the box, you just key in. You just have to key in the interested items that you like. For example, I'm looking for a car, so I just type on cars. Okay, so after you type on cars, you just press on the search button. Okay, so when you are in the car sections, you can actually see there's different types of accessories, types of products that the people actually sell online. So for example, if I like a particular accessory, car accessories, I can just click in. So you can actually see the photographs of the product description, and the pricing, and also the seller's name and the comments that is left online for you to review, followed by the meetup locations, and also how you want to make the payment for the transactions. Okay, so once you are done searching for your items, if you want to do other things online, you can actually go back to the home page. Okay, so on the group page, you can actually choose what are the interest group that you like. So for example, if you like gardening, you can actually press on the tab, one of the section, you just click gardening group. So on this page, you can actually join the group by pressing the red option, join. So just click join. You'll be able to see all the relevant posts in future on your page. Okay, so when you're done, you can just go back to the home page. The third tab will be actually the sell section, whereby whenever you want to sell anything, you can upload a picture. For example, if I want to sell my own car, I can just post my photo and then press on the next button. Not to worry, for this we'll actually go through more in the following episodes. So for now, just go back to the home page. The fourth tab is actually the activity tab. This is to actually tell you that what is your current status, who is actually following you, and also what is the current Carousell news. Okay, next will be the Me tab. So when you're at this page, right, you can actually see your own display picture, your profile name, and also the product that you are listing. So we will actually go to this right hand corner. There is this setting that you can click on. So on this page, you can actually click on the edit profile, and on this page it actually shows your username, your email address, and your contact number. So over here, right, what we can do is also change our profile picture. Just click on it. It will actually bring you to your gallery. and then you can actually choose the picture that you want. After you are done, you just press on the done button. Okay, so you actually change and then followed by the tick button. So it will actually update your profile accordingly. On the top right hand corner, you can actually see the camera logo, the heart shape and the text box. So when you click on the camera, it will actually prompt you to this gallery page. So for example, if I actually like to find out more about cars, whenever you upload something that is relevant to car, it will bring you to other relevant page whereby it's also selling cars or other car parts. So you can see from here there's a lot of different options. Okay, so we just go back to the previous page. For the heart shape, when you click in, it will actually tell you what are the products that you previously actually liked. And this can actually also act as something convenient for you whenever you want to search back the product that you previously see. The third tab will be the text box. So this text box will also tell you what are the previous chat that you have, the conversation that you have with the previous buyer or seller.
Thank you guys for watching. So I have a mini quiz for everyone. So the question is, do you need to set up an account in order to buy or sell on the app? So for option A will be yes and option B will be no. So just help me leave your comments below and we will see who is the winner for this episode. Okay, so for the next episode, I will be sharing more interesting topics. So please stay tuned and we will see you then.